In this demo video, we'll show you how to get started with Multilogin and create your first browser profile. First, open the official Multilogin website in your browser. Multilogin supports a wide range of use cases, from multi-accounting to automation and data scraping. It's built to help you run your business without limits. Let's take a quick look at the pricing page to choose the right plan for your needs. Each plan includes built-in residential proxies, pre-made cookies, and everything you need to get started. No third-party tools required. Once you've selected your plan, click to proceed to the next step. Enter the required information and click Continue to create your account. After logging in, you'll land in your workspace. This is your central hub, where you create profiles, run automation, and manage your projects. Before using profiles, you need to install the Multilogin agent. Click here to begin. The agent is a desktop service that runs in the background and connects your profiles to our servers. Download the version for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the instructions. Once finished, launch the agent. To check if the MLX agent is running, look for its icon in the system tray. Back in your browser, click here to connect the agent. Check the notification below to confirm that your agent is connected. Now it's time to create your first browser profile. For simple tasks, one-click setup with a quick profile creation is enough. For advanced use, you can fully customize the profile to stay undetected. Give your profile a name and select the platform you'll be using. Pre-made cookies help warm up your accounts faster. Choose a built-in residential proxy by location. No need to search or configure third-party services. Adding tags and notes helps you stay organized when working with many profiles. Click here to open advanced mode if you need to fine-tune your profile configuration. In basic settings, you can select the operating system, browser engine, and where to store your profile data. Advanced and expert users can tweak additional settings like WebRTC behavior to ensure platform consistency. Once everything's set, click here to save and create your profile. Each browser profile runs in a fully isolated environment. This keeps your account separate and safe from bans or linking. Let's launch the profile and see it in action. Your browser profile opens in a new window with all the settings you've chosen. This is just a glimpse of what Multilogin can do. Stay tuned for more guides and discover how to unlock the full power of undetectable multi-accounting.